So why is it that humans struggle so much with giving up sugar? The first thing you want to realize is that human beings are anatomically frugivores. Out of all the different categories, herbivores, carnivores, frugivores, all these different things, humans resemble frugivores the most, from our eyes, from our intestines, from our taste buds, from our hands. So it's in our nature to love sweet things. Fruit is a sweet source of calories, so it's in our very nature to love sweet things. This is why people struggle so much to give up the sweets, the junk, the cakes, the buns, the cookies, etc., because it's in our nature to seek sweet fruits. The second one is that because a lot of people don't know this, and the weight loss industry is telling you cut carbohydrates, if you want to lose weight, go on a low carb diet, you are depriving yourself of simple sugars. You're depriving yourself of glucose. And what happens is that the body, in its innate wisdom, will cause you to binge because you're not meeting your daily needs. And the last one is that human beings are being marketed artificial sweets. Whenever you walk into a shop, you see sweets, you see brightly lit colors. Back in my day, I used to eat loads of like Freddos and Snickers bar and all these different things. These industry standard sweets are imitating the brightly colored attraction that we have towards fruit, but instead they're giving you artificial sweets instead. And again, when you combine the fact that we don't know that we're frugivores, when you combine the fact that everybody's trying to do a low carb diet to lose weight, and you combine the fact that we have been hooked mistakenly to crave these artificial fake sweets and stuff like that, you can understand why humans are so lost and find it so difficult to give up sugar. If you want to recover from all this craziness, all this confusion, is to swap out all the artificial sweets that you're currently eating and swap it out for fruits. Fruits have vitamins, minerals, glucose, fiber. They've got sunlight energy, photosynthesis. The sunlight energy is in the fruits. Don't listen to people that say you can eat too much fruit. Look at nature. If you couldn't use fire, what the hell would you be eating? 8.7 million species on this planet doesn't need fire just to eat. So for humans, fruit would be the ideal thing in nature. There's nothing else that comes close.